What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to start and open up your LLC if you live in Indiana. So getting your LLC started and getting your whole business started is not that hard of a process. It's actually pretty easy and simple. So in this video, you're going to learn like exactly what to do in less than 5 minutes from now. Get your LLC started and get your business up and running. With this, you're going to be able to open like a business bank account, a business credit card, everything you need to get your business up and going. This is what this video is for you. So what you're going to need is to get your LLC and to get your EIN number for your LLC. So keep this in mind when you start up your LLC, is that you have to renew it every year. So once you make and create your LLC, every year, usually around like the beginning of the year, you have like 3 to 4 months to renew it. And if you don't renew it, they give you like a late penalty fee depending on the state. So just keep that in mind that every year you have to renew it to keep it active. If you don't, it becomes deactivated. So just keep that in mind. And also, you also need an EIN number for the LLC. What is an EIN number? This is something issued from the IRS. It's like a 9-digit number. It's almost pretty much like the social security of the business. You're gonna get this and you're gonna apply for it. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It's real fast and easy. And when like a bank asks you for the EIN number, you wanna keep that number in hand. That's how you're gonna open up a business credit card, a business bank account, real fast and easy. So I'm gonna have all the links of everything I'm using in the description down below. That way you can follow along and do the whole process with me. I'll have it in the description as well as in the pinned comments. I'm gonna go on the computer and show you guys exactly how to get that LLC started. So in front of me here, I have Zen Business. I highly recommend you to use Zen Business if you're trying to start your business. It's what I use to open up all my businesses. I sell on Amazon and I sell online products. I always use Zen Business for all of my stuff, so highly recommend it. For this example, we're gonna put a new company name called Midtown Power Seller. You wanna have a business name already in mind to put it here. You don't have to put LLC because it's going to do it for you, and we're going to get started. So click Start an LLC and let's do it. So first, let's confirm your business details, Midtown Power Seller, and now we're going to put the state. For this state, we're talking about Indiana here, so we're going to go down here to Indiana. We're going to click Next, and then it's going to ask you how much experience do you have running a business. For me, I'm going to put some because I have some experience. Next, will your business have employees in the first year? For me, I just sell online, so it's just going to be me. If you have a business partner or employees that you plan on, having, you can put yes, but for me, it's just me. Will your business address be different from your home address? For me, I always use my home address as the business address because I sell online, and it's not really, it doesn't really, mean much. Like, it's okay to use your home address. Let's say if you're doing like an online business or anything related to that, you can use your home address. Let's say if you have a storefront or a retail store or brick and mortar, then you're gonna of course have a different address. So will your business address be different? For me, it's gonna be a no. How far along is your business? I plan on launching it soon, 1 to 2 months. We're going to click it here. You could also have already making money or planning for the future. What are your business goals? For me, it's going to be my primary income. And we're going to click Next. And then what kind of business are you forming? So if you click this little drop box here, you're going to see a ton of industries for you to choose from. There's so many here. Just keep scrolling until you find the one that fits right for you in your industry. For me, selling products on Amazon and selling online products is related to e-commerce. So I'm just going to click e-commerce and then click Next. Do you want to save your progress? For me, I'm going to skip this because we're pretty much almost done with this whole video already. So we're going to click Next here. And then it's going to ask you, do you want to appoint your state required registered agent? So what does this mean? A lot of people tend to get confused with this. What is a state required registered agent? For me, I am my own registered agent, and I recommend people watching this video to be your own required registered agent. The only time you don't or you can't be your own registered agent is if you don't live in the state. So like I said, if you don't live in Indiana and you're trying to make an LLC in Indiana, then you have to have a state required registered agent. And why would people even do this is because like sometimes there's tax benefits to file an LLC in a different state. All depends. These are like, I would say if your CPA recommends it in the future, if you're like a multi-million-dollar business, then okay. But for the majority of people, especially like people starting an LLC and starting a business, I would say to be your own registered agent. I'm always my own registered agent for all of my LLCs. So you're gonna put here, I'll appoint my own registered agent, which is gonna be yourself. And then they're gonna ask you, are you sure? And then yes. I want to appoint someone else, which is gonna be yourself. Now choose your package. You have the starter, the pro, and the premium. I highly recommend the starter and the pro. The premium is a little bit overpriced in my opinion. It does have some add-on features, but it is very expensive. My favorite one here is probably going to be the pro because you get your LLC done in 1 to 2 business days, and you also get that EIN number as well. With the starter, what I really like about Zen Business is you don't have to pay any services to use Zen Business if you go with the starter. But the only bad thing about it is the filing does take 2 to 3 weeks, which, you know, it all depends on your situation, right? Let's say you have the time to wait 2 or 3 weeks, then it's okay. But the only also thing is that you don't get the EIN number as well, which it's not too bad. It all depends, like, you know, if you're trying to save money, and you know, you can get the EIN number done on the IRS website. It's not that hard to do, and I'll even make a video on that of how to get an EIN number as well. Pretty easy, but it all depends on your situation. For me, I'd actually pay in my opinion, I'd pay a little bit extra, get it filed in 1 to 2 days. Like if I'm serious about making money, if I'm like, let's go, I'm ready to, I have a bunch of business ideas, I have, you know, everything flowing already, then I'd probably go with the pro, file it in 1 to 2 business days, and you also get the EIN number as well. So let's do that for this example. And now it's going to ask you a couple of add-on pretty much questions like, do you want to open a business bank account with us? No, thank you. Bookkeeping? No, thank you. Website builder? No, thank you. Additional you don't need this as well. And now you're just going to put your account info, your ownership here. I'm going to put some random stuff here just because this is an example. But you want to put your personal stuff in here. Okay, and now you're going to click continue to order. All right, now since we picked the pro, we're paying in total $296, but that includes the state filing fee of $97, and we also get the EIN number and fast filing, expedited filing for 1 to 2 business days, which is amazing. That's like, I mean, right there and then you got your LLC started, really fast and easy. All you're gonna do next is put your card info here, put your password, and you're all set and done. And that's how you can start and create your LLC in Indiana. Really fast and easy process, really straight to the point. Highly recommend you to get your LLC done if you're looking to start a business. I can't recommend it enough. Like, starting your own business and taking that initiative to be your own boss is probably one of the best things that you can do. Of course, it's going to be hard in the beginning, but you're going to learn along the way of exactly what to do. You know, there's going to be the highs and lows of being your own boss, but you get to work, you know, you get to work the hours you want to work. You don't have anybody telling you what to do. I mean, and the more hours you put in, the more reward you get back. I love being my own boss. I love working for myself. I wouldn't have it any other way. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll try to help you guys out as much as I can. And if you're still watching, hit that like button, subscribe. It means so much to me if you can just, you know, like this video and subscribe. I'm pretty new. This is a new YouTube channel, and you doing that, giving me that support, you know, shows YouTube that, you know, I'm trying to do something here, and it really helps and picks up this channel as well. So I'd really appreciate it if you could do that for me. And that's about it, guys. Hopefully, you know, this video was helpful to you guys. If you want to follow along those steps, just click that link in the description down below. And that's about it. See you guys. Peace.